before I start today's video, I want to show you this piece because the painting of this piece step by step, it is on YouTube and you should take advantage of that. You're gonna see how this piece is created from beginning to end, and since we are almost there in fall, so it's a good piece to show you today. So please go take a look at those videos. I'm gonna put a link at the top. So today's inspiration is from this piece that I did with DecoArt Premium paints. Yeah, when they came out, they gave me some samples so that I could try them, and this is the piece that I painted with them. And I have not released yet the videos for this, but it was a video, the whole class was videoed, and I don't know if anybody's interested, let me know in the comments. And what I like of these paints is that they kind of have like a luster on them, and this has not been varnished yet. But I was inspired from this piece, and I want to do some Dutch pour that will be like a splash of orange juice. So that's what I'm going to try. I'm going to take the colors from here, use colors from this piece on my pour. So stay tuned. So I was trying to get the same colors I used on that other piece, but I didn't have any Hansa yellow light left, so I'm using primary yellow instead. I may add a tiny bit of white, like a lighter color. Hansa yellow medium, Vermilion Hue, Cadmium Orange Hue, and Quinacridone Gold Hue. Let's see what we can do. Yes, no more. This means less is more. See how it is going to change. So I decided that this one will stand alone and will not need the enhancement. So I decided to do the enhancement on one that was a tiny bit lighter in color. I'll show you. This one I did with the background, light purple background. See, it was softer than this one. This one has stronger colors, so that's why I decided to use this one for the enhancement, because that way the tangerine or orange will look stronger. The colors will look better on the softer background than this one, because this one has so much strong colors and it was gonna fight with that, but this one will stand alone. It's just a presentation of orange juice. So I hope you like what I did, and I have not posted the video of this pour and the orange because I'm not sure if people want to keep seeing that those enhancements. So I would like you to post comments if you want this to come for the channel. Please let me know. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.